In this video, I'll show you how to set up Godaddy business email. First, go to the Godaddy website. Once the homepage opens, locate the search box at the top of the page. In that field, enter the domain name you want for your business and click search. After the search is complete, Godaddy will display several domain options. Browse through the available domains and compare the different prices. Choose the domain that best fits your business and click the button next to it to add it to your cart. Next, click the arrow or continue button that takes you to the next page. You will be asked if you want to add domain protection. This protection can help keep your domain secure and reduce the risk of hackers gaining unauthorized access to it. If you want the additional protection, leave the option selected. The price will be added to your order total. If you do not want the protection, simply select the promotional option or remove the protection service and continue. Now, proceed to your cart by clicking the button at the bottom of the page. On the next screen, you'll see a summary of everything included in your purchase along with the total cost displayed on the side. After that, click Checkout. This will take you to the account creation page. Here, you can create your Godaddy account using Facebook, Google, or your email address. Once you've chosen your preferred sign-up method and created your account, continue to the payment page. Enter all of the required information, including your personal details and payment information. Next, review everything carefully to make sure the information is correct. Once you're ready, save your information and complete the purchase. After your payment is processed successfully, your domain will be registered to your Godaddy account, and the setup process will be complete. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Godaddy business email. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.